This is the first video for tonight in preparation for day 3 of chemistry. This is a review of drawing Lewis dot diagrams that we talked about in the skills unit. You may or may not need to write any of this down, it's up to you. So for drawing Lewis dot diagram, it's pretty much a two-step process. First, write the element symbol, and then draw dots to represent the valence electrons. That's it. Now, to get the valence electrons, first we have to realize what a valence electron is. Valence electrons are those that are in the outermost energy level. So if you think about a Bohr-Rutherford diagram, it's the ones in the very outer ring. We can find the number of valence electrons by reading the number at the top of a column. The numbers are from left to right, numbers 1 through 18. Now if the number happens to be 10 or greater, we just use the second digit. So if we're in column 16, we drop the 10s and we just use 6. So let's do a couple of examples. I'm going to start with my favorite element, sodium. Sodium's atomic number is 11. We find it on the left-hand side of the periodic table. Its symbol is Na. It's in group 1. We go to the top of the column. We find there's 1. We're in group 1, so we place 1 dot. That's example 1. Example 2. If I take something like aluminum, its atomic number is 13. I go to find atomic number 13. If I haven't already learned its symbol, it's Al. I go to the top of the column. I find it's in group 3, and so I place 1 dot, a second dot, a third dot. We try and imagine that there's a little box around it, and we put 1 on each side before they double up, which means if we get to something that's a little bit bigger, like say oxygen, for example 3, its symbol is O. We find that oxygen is in group 16. We take away the 10s and we have group 6. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can start pairing up, 5 and 6. And it usually doesn't matter which sides are paired up first. The key is 1 on each of 4 sides before I start pairing up. When we're just doing individual atoms like this is great. As soon as I start doing drawings for compounds, which I'll show you in class, I'll show you some extra techniques on how to make the drawings neater and cleaner. This is the first of 2 videos, so watch for a second one. Thanks for watching.